Dinner is done. Today's supper is sweet and smoky chicken thighs, mac and cheese, and corn on the cob. Easy peasy. All right, what you're gonna need for tonight's dinner is some chicken thighs. You can also use chicken legs. Either one will do just fine. Wings, you can use wings. I have 5 chicken thighs, a half a cup of maple syrup, some smoked salt, ketchup, vinegar, mustard, and 1 to 1.5 onions. All right, now this maple syrup is not real maple syrup. This is my syrup that I make, and Randy can leave a card up there somewhere. Right now, maple syrup is anywhere from $18 to $21, and it's not even a full quart. That is just outrageous. You can't tell the difference. Hardly at all. You really can't tell the difference in a blind test between homemade maple syrup and the real thing. It texture, taste, everything works in recipes, and this didn't even cost. I don't even think it cost $1 to make. Okay, now my old recipe says you need 2 medium onions. Well, I don't have any medium onions. My onions are pretty good size, and I'm actually halving the amount of chicken I need. So I'm gonna use just 1 onion. You feel free to use 2 or 3. And like I said, you can absolutely use probably up to 9 or 10 pieces of chicken with this same amount of sauce, because the original recipe is for that much, but there's only Randy and I, but I didn't know how to break that down, and I like lots of sauce, so it really doesn't matter. And the only real prep work you have is to cut 1 onion. So we're gonna do that and get that done. And what I do is I just cut it in half, and then I just make slices out of those halves, fairly thin. Now we're going to take all our little onion slivers and just drop them all in the bottom of our pan. And the size of your pan depends on how much chicken you have. Okay, and you notice I just left that 1 onion out. I'm not going to use it. If I had more chicken, I'd use more onion. Right. Now I'm just going to lay that chicken right there on top of my onions. Slide that right there. Put that one right there. All right, if you've never seen smoked salt, I have one that I've had for quite a while called bulk salt. It's really good salt, but I've only used it a few times. There's very few recipes that call for smoked salt. But if you don't have smoked salt, I want to say I got this at like Big Lots or something, because I know for sure that I got that black sea salt there. But I don't use that black sea salt. It tastes like, or smells like rotten eggs. When you pop the top, it smells like rotten eggs. And I can't think of a food that would be enhanced by rotten eggs. But smoked salt, this one is really good. Okay, and this is in flakes. So what I'm going to do is kind of just mash it between my fingers. And salt's all relative. So how much ever salt you think your family would like on your chicken, that's how much salt you use. Okay, now that my salt is all over my chicken, we're going to set that aside, and we're going to make our sauce. Okay, we're going to just use the same cup that our maple syrup is in. I have a half a cup of maple syrup. I have a half a cup of ketchup. have 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. And I have 2 tablespoons of just plain old yellow mustard. I'm going to give that a really good stir without spilling it everywhere. That's what she looks like. Then I'm going to bring my chicken back over here off the stove. Give it one more stir. Just make sure you cover all your chicken. Now we'll need to put our chicken in a 350-degree preheated oven. Just like that. See you in an hour. All right, y'all, my hour is up. My chicken is done. My sauce looks wonderful. And dinner is done. Some of that mac and cheese. Some of that chicken. And those onions. Taste test time. Come on, Randy. Here we go. Here we go. Shuffle, shuffle.
All right. Hustle, hustle, hustle. All right. Start of the show is
the chicken.
With smoked salt.
Smoked salt.
Very good.
I want to know if you can taste the salt.
I can taste the salt?
Mm-hmm.
Well, why don't we just take a bite and find out?
Yeah.
Okay. It tastes smoky.
Okay. That's all I needed to know.
I guess so.
Or all they needed to know.
Yeah, there you go. And macaroni and cheese. We do have video somewhere on macaroni and cheese.
A couple, yeah. Couple different ways to make mac and cheese. Depends on how I feel or which one I want to make on any given night.
Yeah, I'm going to have to wait to sit down and actually finish eating this so I can get that butter and salt on that corn.
Yeah, you're going to pour that butter all over that corn. I give him his own little container.
Yeah, I know. She did that because she doesn't like me rolling the corn on the butter.
Yeah, he wastes my butter that way.
Yeah, but it's so good. Okay, well, I already got a fork. All right, that's it. I'm done. You guys, my 100% approval. Okay, y'all have a good night, and I'll let Tammy finish up.
Yep, we're gonna go have dinner. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.